the workshop.
We meet a Marine veteran putting his patriotic spin on the Stars and Stripes when we come right back.
This week's FYI Philly is sponsored in part by Valley Forge in Montgomery County. Book your stay at valleyforge.org. And Jeep. With the Jeep Declaration of Deals, we're pledging our allegiance to the American people with great deals. Visit your Philadelphia area Jeep dealer for a great deal today.
We are back at Bartram's Garden, the oldest surviving botanical garden in the country, and spring is such a beautiful time to visit.
And as we continue our celebration of America's 250th birthday all year long, we meet a police officer and Marine veteran who's putting his patriotic spin on the Stars and Stripes.
Welcome to Forest Flags. Forest Flags is a veteran-owned and operated business. This is the workshop. Everything is done here. It started out in the garage. Now it's in the shed. This is the Navy SEAL Trident. I make wooden flags for memorial pieces, man caves, challenge coin holders, something that signifies the sacrifice and the bravery that one had in the service. This one I painted all red, the Indians black, and then the stars were white. And this was for a Navy SEAL that was actually on the Osama bin Laden raid because it was the Red Squadron. When people that receive these flags send me a picture of them, the excitement, the joy, that's when I know like the mission's been completed. We're unapologetically patriotic. I'm a Marine veteran. I served from 2000 to 2006. I was part of Operation Iraqi Freedom as well as Enduring Freedom. The brotherhood that was literally forged in the Marine Corps, you need each other. There's nothing like it. I got into law enforcement back here in the United States. Same purpose, same mission. You're protecting and serving the members of the community. Here are some of the unions that we have. Started in 2020. I had hurt my back. It was a hard time for myself and for my family. Making that bad time into a better time, I started making wooden flags in the garage. See like how the grain pulls out on different types of wood. Cut the wood, burn it, stain it, assemble, put a nice coat of polyurethane on it, and out the door it goes. I took woodworking as a high school student. I enjoyed it. I never really saw myself doing this. However, once I did do it, that was it. Anything can be customized. I do two sizes. This one here is the larger size. I do a 36 by 19.5-inch flag. We can turn that into a challenge coin holder. The smaller size that we do is an 18.5 by 10-inch. With the upcoming 250th, that's your Ross flag. Everybody has some type of outlet. Once I did it, I had a feeling of relief mentally. It's very healthy for me. Line 613 apparel. I had mentioned to my wife, why don't we look into an apparel business? She likes style, she likes clothes. She started coming up with some designs and it was awesome. The 613 is letters in the alphabet. F for Forrest is 6, and then the 13th letter in the alphabet is M for my wife, Mandy. We came up with a shirt. It's loud, you know, it says PTSD, but underneath it's purpose, tenacity, sacrifice, and discipline. We have like a Red Friday shirt. We have a Live Free women's design. We love this country, so that's the reason why we did this, was to raise awareness. It's an important part of the mission. I've had a really great response. The veteran community, the local community, my law enforcement community, it's just been amazing.
Each one of Forest Flags is made to order. You can find those details at 6abc.com/FYI.